What's up guys? Good morning again, and this is Henrik. Yes po, ikalimang araw na natin ngayon dito sa Christmas vacation natin dito sa Manila. And for now, we will go to and bagong lahat pa nga pala, Merry Christmas sa inyo. Merry Christmas po, and sana enjoy po kayo yan araw. And kami naman, we will go to the church. And after that, we will go to yung ano nga pala, 'di ba yung Ocean Park, 'di ba namin sinet ng 26, 'di ba? Pero for now, we will go to Ocean Park na ngayon na araw na 25. At tomorrow kasi magpo-full time kami sa Batangas, kami. Kasi pag bukas ang Ocean Park namin, naisip namin na matagal kami sa Ocean Park. Baka maubos lang ang oras namin. Tapos pupunta pa kami Batangas, malayo. Ubos ang oras namin. Di parang di kami na-enjoy, di kami matatagal. Pupunta pa kami kay Father Pio doon sa Batangas. And kita-kits mamaya sa simbahan. And kita-kits mamaya sa Ocean Park. Tingnan natin, siguro mag-enjoy ang mga bata ito. Pati kami, kasi gusto ko talaga makakita ng gusto ko talaga Ocean Park, may mga fish. May mga big fish. And ito ko to bibi ko. Hindi man 'yun. And gusto ko din makakita ng mga sea lion, tapos basta tingnan na lang natin sa Ocean Park at kung anong meron doon, ha. See ya, and bago ng lahat, intro, pasok.
Tayo na tepon.
Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Got myself free falling deep into your eyes. Came to me without warning.
Time check natin is 11:40 at dito na ako nag-continue nag-video. At magsisimba muna kami sa Manila Cathedral. Yes, at bumalik kami sa Manila Cathedral. Ito. Papasok kami ngayon sa Manila Cathedral kasi 25, syempre Christmas Day. And enjoy lang tayo guys, and Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Dito na kami guys sa ngayon sa Ocean Park, and daming tao dahil syempre 25 Christmas. Yung iba dito na magse-celebrate ng Christmas ngayon 25. Pero galing kami sa Manila Cathedral, nag-pray and nagpasalamat. Ganda pala ng Manila Cathedral sa loob. Tapos ito yung tao ngayon sa Ocean Park. Ganda no. Yung simbahan.
Hangin doon.
Mahangin daw. Ito yung tao sa Ocean Park ngayon. Sarap, baby. Yay. Ang dami. Yes, dito na din nata sila nag-celebrate kasi syempre Ocean Park to may mga laman dagat na nasa loob. Talaga laman dagat Ang dami. Si ate, si Kay, nakapila. Si Bernard, naghanap pa ng parkingan. Eh, sa akin yung mga bata. O, doon kayo. Si JM. Oh.
Sa
Mga bata. Waiting. Actually, kahit ako kahit ito, alam ko kahit ito excited pumasok diyan Kasi gusto ko din makakita talaga ng mga stingray, mga ganyan, mga malalaking isda. And then gusto ko din makakita ng ng shark, 'di ba? There's a shark there. Aray ko. Hindi man, wala pa naman.
Mahangin.
It's okay, mahangin.
Mahangin.
Dami po, dadagsaan pa ng tao.
Bye guys.
Dadagsaan pa ng tao. Oh, wala. Tamang pila.
Magpila na lang sa Pagpalao.
Mga rules natin. Pasok na kami.
Magtatak kami.
Yay! Papasok na kami sa Ocean Park. Yay!
Mula ng ibang attraction. Sa mga gusto kong mag-sinayon bird show sa labas po yan 12:30. Sir, sa mga ticket po or gusto po na 12:30 or 2 p.m. Actually, yung start na po yung 12:30 natin ba? So 2 p.m.
Good day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer Beans, and I'd like you to meet my sea lion friends together with your trainers one at a time. On your left side is the only male South American sea lions that we have here, and he is the
Tao pala yan.
handsome one. Oh, nice man. His name is Vincent, together with trainer David. Say hi.
Hi!
And on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the smartest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Jenny. Together with trainer Johnny. Say hello.
Hi!
Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called fin or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey buddies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term Philippines may also be translated as wing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right, Children? And did you know, they're often mistaken as seals because they look very much alike. But some differences between our seals and a sea lions is the fact that they have bigger, broad flippers.
It's a sea lion.
And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the final demonstration. How about a round of applause for our
Clap your hands.
friends? And you know what? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Another round of applause for our friends. As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short, coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fiber, which make them
make it big.
sensitive. Ooh, nice man. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see with both above and underwater. And they have a keen eyesight
Mali
but
man ang camera mo.
no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit short, flat rock cliffs with typhoon and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have an
Kita mo si Papa.
ability which can easily scale rocky land. Check this out. Short, strong, broad flippers. Now,
that
let's talk about their swimming
What's
abilities
that?
and let's start with this.
Sea lion.
Sea lions can generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies,
Hindi
functioning as water
Sa
sports
kanila lang
players.
yan.
And that is their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Vincent, Trainer David. But with chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready, Ellie? 25 miles per hour. That is so fast. A round of applause for Jenny, the smartest. Ooh, nice slide. And another one, Sweetie Certain. Now, here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part of their special operation? Yep, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the next Navy diver would be envious of. And they got it. Another round of applause for our sea lion friends. ball.
Yeah.
How do you think they get the ball?
Oh, they will get the ball.
Careful, buddies. Almost there. Careful.
Oink, oink, oink.
Steady. Fantastic.
Oink, oink, oink.
Excellent.
Clap your hands. Clap.
This time, would you love to share that number from our
Umadan
friend?
sila. Yes.
Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance?
Yes.
Well, music maestro.
Umadan sila.
Let's move it. Clap your hands, everybody, come on. It's your dance, side by side. And up, people dancing. Into the water body. Twist it and turn it. Around the world we go, round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Okay, yeah, show them that boogie boogie. Boogie boogie.
Nana sila. Wait lang, wait lang. O, tapos na. Dance now.
Goes boogie. Keep on rolling.
Wow! Wow!
Show them what you got. When you're
Wow, style!
Steady.
Sweep.
Arriba.
Clap your hands.
For that we manage.
Ayaw to. Hindi yung ganyan. Mas ganyan yan. Mas si mami niya slide. Oy! Clap your hands. Oo, tapos na.
Kiss.
Ay, oh, love-love niya, mami. Tapos na.
We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friend, the South American Vincent and Jenny. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take the experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive in a fast-paced
God,
environment.
pagod na.
So, let's keep our
Tired na.
surroundings clean. Aside from
Tired na
pollution,
siya.
there are many other threats that survive
Yes.
all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. Always keep in mind that we are the steward of our planet and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all the inhabitants of
Bye-bye.
Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Vincent and Trainer David, Jenny and Trainer Johnny, and all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you enjoy and visit us again soon. So take it and have a nice day.
What's up guys? Galing kaming Ocean Park at dumiretso kami ngayon sa pala kami sa Quiapo Church. Yes. At di ko na sinama itong aking camera at may simba syempre. Ano naman pero ang daming tao ngayon, daming tao kasi Christmas. Daming tao sa Quiapo. Saka bumili kami ng ng bag doon sa Divisoria, tapos mga short and panloob na damit. Tapos sa ngayon balik na kami ng condo, magpapahinga, tapos yung mga bata magsiswimming and yun yan. tomorrow, papahinga na kami ngayon dahil yung alam namin yung ito, tingnan mo. Yung aming magiting na
May sakit na rin.
driver nakakaramdam na ng sakit ng katawan. Kaya magpapahinga na din. Kailangan na magpahinga to kasi may trabaho to pang gabi tapos umaga mamamanayo sa amin. Kaya take a rest na and then tomorrow we will go to Batangas. And then yun. So guys, hanggang dito na lang po tayo and then tomorrow na lang po ulit. Maraming salamat po sa mga tropa natin dyan. Maraming salamat sa mga manunood at nanunood. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pong lahat. And huwag niyong kalimutan na i-subscribe ang aking channel and sa ating Facebook. Share lang tayo ng share guys. Pakalat lang tayo ng pakalat. Maraming salamat and peace out. Thank you!